hello to my friends. Miss Valerie, long time no see. People miss you out there, you know?
Sorry, guys. It's because my mom doesn't come visit me.
You lying. Every time I call you, you're sleeping.
Because I'm tired. Who wakes up at 7 in the morning?
You remind me of, what's her name? Cindy? Sandy. She's hibernating.
If my kid's not up at 7 in the morning, I'm not up at 7 in the morning.
Hello. We're here visiting Valerie. She said, excuse me for the mess.
Careful with the TV, please.
But Mr. Jeremiah here is playing 24/7. So he has toys all over the place.
I'm not Jeremiah.
Jeremiah. Look, Papa. Jeremiah.
He has
Look.
dirt all over his face.
Look. Who's that? Say hi. Say hi.
He has yogurt.
I know. What is he eating?
Nathan, can you put that somewhere else? Because the TV. I also need to buy a bigger one of those.
I know. I told you que le trajeras el mío y me dieras ese.
Hello, case. Hello, case.
Only que el mío es cafecito. Like it would go with your sofa. Hi, Papa. Say hi. Hi. Baby. It's been last time you came out in my videos, you were crawling, I think. Ay. Ay.
I can't. I'm busy.
Le vamos a hacer vlogger bien chiquito.
Jeremiah.
You not gonna say hello?
I did.
When?
Say hi.
Hi. Right now. Hi. Right.
Hi. Uh-huh.
Apa?
Yeah, no, this is a phone. Yeah, it's that phone.
Say hi, baby.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
You're so adorable.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Jeremiah. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Oh, careful.
Yay!
He celebrated Christmas.
He didn't even saw where he threw it.
You put his pen down?
No, I did, I swear. What?
Jeremiah, come out.
Which is?
Question is what?
So you might have PJs?
Betis no tienes ropa allí, Bryann.
Si están las maletas, sí.
Sí, se quedaron a dormir allí, ¿no?
Sí. Mami, Denise's bags are in the car too. Que si están las maletas de Denise también. Dale pues. I'm sure she must have at least this. Beautiful song too. A day at the beach, unplanned, last minute. I think it's like the last hot days here in California. I think, maybe not. And we just decided to come. It is about 5 p.m. I think. I slept for like 3 hours. I got home from Valerie's house. I think we got home at 11. At 11. I went to sleep like at 12. I slept like 2 hours and a half. I edited a video or started editing yesterday's vlog. And we're here. Métete, Nathan! Métete! Huh?
Get in.
Did he say I don't know what you're saying?
Yeah, he said, and then he said, I took so long to count. Now he adds more. 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132. She forced me to. 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158.
And Denise just arrived. Oh, she must be hating it right now because she's in the sand in her shoes.
Make it.
No.
There's something crawling on your neck. Oh, come on.
It'll do it. Touch it with the sand. Oh, what's right there?
That happened to me on the bus. Was it red? Huh? Was the bug red?
It had it a little bit red. I'm just gonna lift your stomach.
One like that was on me earlier on the bus.
You're exposing me.
I'm sorry. I have to make sure you don't have anything.
I felt it on my
And I
neck.
didn't record it anyway. I just want to make sure you don't have it. There.
Mommy, I didn't smack it so you can record it. I'm gonna run in. You're gonna run
There
in?
was one on me on the bus. It was nasty.
He wants to do a race.
No, listen.
Are you gonna join?
Did you hear him?
No.
Run in, jump in.
Oh. She's waiting to play with someone.
Go, Nathan, really.
He wants to do a race or get wet.
I'm not gonna do it. Jump.
He's not gonna do it. He's not gonna do it.
I did it.
Jump.
The water too.
He's not gonna do it. He did it.
He did it. What?
Now he's cold. He's like, why did I do this? That moment when you say I messed up. Look at him. Hija de su madre.
Did he fall?
No, she pushed him.
He pushed her?
Yeah.
With her leg or something?
No,
That's
she
why I said her leg on
went.
you.
She went straight out.
Oh.
Hey, Nathan!
She lost her bracelet.
Oh crap! Ándale, that's what she gets. Aquel.
That's what you get for pushing you.
Keep looking for it.
No,
Camila.
no, you no more. She's mad. She's gonna get mad.
Move around.
It's so cold. Which one was it? I think it's the one. How long she's been having it?
Nathan, want to do the race? Where? No, I can't. I can't.
And she usually takes it off. That's what she did. Because she was trying to be mean. I'm sure she regrets pushing you. Girl! Bryann! You regret pushing him, huh? Not right now, Nathan. She's not in the mood.
It's still really cold.
Which one was it? Oh, is that the one she made?
Which one is it?
Where are you running?
I don't want you to come over here.
You scared, homegirl? You scared, baby girl? Man, you lying. When you're not with me, you're like, Mom, where are you? What time you coming back?
That's because I don't like being home alone. The dog was here. I can see the ball. Never mind, those are someone's toes. Someone walks on their tippy toes. I'm not dressed for the beach. I just came from school and work. Not work, but
Volunteer.
yeah, I know. But I'm gonna just call it that. I'm not gonna.
I know. It's a volunteering job.
Wait, yeah, that's required. I don't want to.
For what class again?
Medical. I know I said Bryann. Wait, man.
I am super, super, super hungry. I realized I just ate 2 pieces of wheat bread with coffee this morning. And I'm starving. What time is it, Mommy? Like 6? I'm hungry.
5:46.
Oh, 5:46. And I think I'm just gonna wait for sunset before we leave. The kids are having fun, they're enjoying themselves. And hey, it's the last days of hot days. Summer, I think summer's over. This is just like the very end of it. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog, you guys. Continue watching. I don't know if I'm gonna bring you guys to the burrito. I'm sure I am, probably. I'll have one of the kids record since I'm gonna be preparing the salsas and all that stuff. But yeah, continue watching the video.
Mom, you finished all of those strawberry cookies, huh?
No, I only got 2.
Exactly. I got 1. Nathan got 1 supposedly. Where is it? Where's what? Where's what? Good question. Over there on the couch. I'm gonna bring it and I'm gonna try it over there. Ow! I'm gonna try it over there.
No, you can try it here because there's no light over there.
No, there isn't.
No, there's hardly light.
Okay, I'll go get it. Do you even have the fan thingy? Yeah.
Hello guys, here we go. It's about to be bedtime. I am sorry I didn't bring you guys to the burritos. I totally forgot about the vlogging, and when I realized we were done eating, and my phone was not even nearby. Like, the phone was in my backpack the whole time. What happened?
Kira was talking, she's like, dang, you suck. She's playing a game. Kira, she's making YouTube videos.
So, yeah. So right now, Bryann is going to try out her costume. So my friend found this lady that was selling a lot of inflatable costumes, the dinosaur ones. And she got it for $5. I saved $55. I think they're $60 on Amazon right now. So, sorry, I know I might be acting a little bit goofy, but it's because when I'm around the kids, you know, they somehow transfer that childness on me, you know? So, yeah. Who's that?
Milo.
Baby, stop it.
Mom, it didn't come with the fan.
I saw something orange.
Just a battery thing.
No way.
She's using mine.
Wait.
Well, let's call Millie and let her know. Man, no wonder it was $5. I need to let her know. Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
You're gonna have to blow
How do I
it.
use this? Oh wait, it's in here already. What the?
Oh, okay. So probably it's from people that already had used it. I was like,
so
no, I'm gonna have to look for
How
one.
do I get in this? I found.
Okay, so let me just set up the phone somewhere so I can help Miss Bryann. Do you need help, Madre?
No.
Are you sure?
I had to bring
got
her.
it?
I had to bring her my fan.
You scared the shit out of me.
You heard me, Mom? I had to bring her my fan.
Were you throwing up or something?
My nose so cute.
Stop making out of noises, girl.
My nose so cute.
A ver. Kira.
Yeah?
Let me see.
No, it's dark.
You can see her, it's too dark.
Let me see.
It's dark, like.
Look, say hello.
Hi.
No, but I want I come in the camera.
You wanna
A ver.
You wanna be famous,
Say
right?
hello to the say hello to the vlog.
You wanna be famous, right, Kira?
I don't see you.
Kira!
Gee.
Your phone is so dirty, Bryann. You need to clean that phone.
Okay, go, say hi.
No.
Oh my
It's
goodness. Come on, let's put it on. This came off.
Okay, guys. It might be a little
so
bit
funny
shaky
is-
because I'm recording.
Okay, but you want need help? Come here. The zipper goes in the front, mommy.
I know.
So
I gotta go like this backwards.
yeah. So sit down. Come here. There you go. Now put it on.
It's too small.
You're lying.
Come, girl.
Yeah, you had to put your foot through there. I thought that too. I thought my feet were too small,
Don't step on it.
and then I had to put it through there.
It's too small, Mom. The ankles are raising.
It was like that for me too, Bryann.
I'm too big. This is like this.
Bet, let me try it on.
Oh, I think it is too small.
Look, Mom, my ankles are showing.
No.
Where's the machine? I don't think we're getting everything. Come here. You should have let me done the recording, man.
No.
You're good. See?
It does fit, and then when the air goes up, the head will end up going up.
Here, where are you gonna put it?
She has to have it in her pants.
That's how it is. You're not supposed to be able to move this, and then you put this here.
You look so funny.
I can't do it.
You look taller.
Oh, it looks big. Fix my pants.
Can I try it on after?
No. I have T-Rex legs. No, T-Rex arms. They're so tiny. Oh, she's licking, huh? It's actually the perfect size, dude.
See, and you wanted it bigger.
Yes, I need it bigger. I have to bend my neck to put my face here. Or else I'm like this. Wait, let me try it on. Now my
No.
ankles are showing.
No, they're barely showing.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, mommy, now run like crazy.
Go to Denise.
She go fall. She's hungry.
Let me.
I'm dying.
I want to try it. I want to try it.
What does it mean?
Bryann.
That looks so funny.
I can't wait for her to eat.
I fell last time. I had my alien.
Don't fart in there.
Good night.
Wait, can I try it?
Go. Where did you leave Kira? You were supposed to bring Kira with you.
My hair's all up in my thing.
So you have to have like a ponytail,
This
huh?
is still no. I have a ponytail right now. But
No,
this
but
is
like-
still too. It's too small.
Well, she got you the adult one, girl.
Look, I'm in the head now. Where? You're in the head. Wait, I need to bring my phone.
I like this one too.
Wait.
Fall, slip, slide.
Nah.
I want to try it.
I'm tired.
Imagine alien versus dinosaur.
Get up and run.
It would be
Lady, I feel it. When I was not.
Bryann, when we both have batteries, we should both put it on at the same. We should both put it on at the same time. No, crawl. Bryann, crawl.
I can't.
No, you're gonna mess it up or no, don't.
Can I try it? Please, let me try it here.
Can you breathe in there?
Yeah, she's good.
No, you're not gonna. Come on. Are you able to breathe good?
Yeah, you may have all the air that's in there.
Yeah, I'd be suffocating.
Wow.
No, she's sorry.
No, she got it.
Oh, she did it on purpose. Can I try it? Please.
Don't wanna waste time. I'll never be this young. I'll never be this young again. Don't wanna chase highs when I'm too worn out. So I'm never coming down. Never friend. Won't you come up here to my altitude, to my altitude? Yeah, you. 'Cause I always liked you. I wanna share this view. I wanna share this view with you. We're never coming down, never coming down, never coming down.
Hey guys, so it is already 9:26. I'm done editing the video. Super late. I couldn't edit it throughout the day because, like you guys saw, I was with Valerie. I hardly ever visit her, so I went to visit her. Then I came home, cleaned, the dog's spot because it was horrible. And I had to clean their spot. I went to sleep like at 12, slept 2 hours. Then I started editing the video. I mentioned it. I started editing the video, but then it was time to go pick up Denise, and we went to the beach. So no time to finish editing. I'm finally done. So I hope you guys are watching the rest of the vlogs, the ones that I have recorded prior to this one, the one I'm doing now. And give me ideas, you guys, if there's anything special you guys want to know. I mean, not know, but a special video you guys want me to share. And yeah, so if you're enjoying these vlogs, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.
Solo impredecible. Te fuiste por un futuro y el pasado se quedó. Después de un par de meses no sabía cómo sentirme.